Okay, little update on the Learn and Earn Dusk. Okay, I forgot to mention about the trading Dusk element. Okay, so for promotion A is 2,500 Dusk. So roughly that would be so 2,500. So buying and selling 2,500 Dusk would equate to about $1,317. Okay, so you could buy 1,250, which would be about 610. Okay, and then sell it and get your 650, 660, let's say. So it would cost you about $660 to buy, and then you sell it back, sell it again for another 660, roughly speaking. Okay. Now you've got Dusk USDT. So if you trade on Dusk USDT, it'll cost you trading fees. So the trading volume on that is 70 million, okay, USDT in 24-hour volume. So it's got a really good volume for this crypto. Dusk BUSD, you can see how much the volume differs, okay. You've got a trading volume of 24 hours of 3.6 million BUSD. And remember, BUSD and USDT are stable coins, and they're roughly the same. They're roughly $1, okay? That's what they're meant to be, $1 US. So there's 25, 24, 23 times as much trading volume on USDT. So the advantage there is that it's got a bigger volume and the numbers go up and down a lot more on the USDT trading, okay? Whereas if you look at the BUSD, you can see how much slower it is, okay? But the advantage of using BUSD is it doesn't cost you anything to trade. Okay, so let's say I put in a buy order. So I'm going to use BUSD. So let's say I buy it here. I'm just going to put in a test order. You know, actually, I don't really want to buy it here because it's going to collapse in a bit, I think. So one thing you can use is things like stock RSI. You can see how high it is at the moment. It's about to kind of come down. So if you want to buy the dips, this is like a peak at the moment. So let's just buy a little bit just to let's just buy a bit. So you can put it on limit order. Okay, so if you're buying on BUSD, Dusk BUSD trading pair, you put it on limit order and then you say click that. Okay, and I'm going to buy 20 Dusk. Okay, and then you can see a little yellow dot there, and it'll take a while for it to come in. But if it buys it there, it's not going to cost you any fees. And then you'd simply go up to the sell and then sell your Dusk at whatever price. Okay. Doesn't look like it's going to sell. Looks like it's moving up a bit, actually. You know what? Let's try and get a quick buy in if we can. Okay, so I'm going to do there. Oops. Let's just buy 50 Dusk for now. So let's see if this goes. So 5523. Okay, so it's sold. So let's see if we can, sorry, that's bought. I mean, 5523. So let's just put it at 5524. See if we can sell it for that. All my Dusk. Okay. So I'm just basically making a tiny, slightly bit more. So it's a slight difference. What you shouldn't do wash trades. So a wash trade would be, if I sold this at 5523, that would be what's known as a wash trade. I'm buying it for the same price as I'm selling it. Okay, so there's no overall difference. And that's what's known as a wash trade. And let me just click on here. No, it's not about Dusk. No. Let's just go over Learn and Earn Dusk. Okay. I think one of the, it might say something about, there we go. So Binance reserves the right to disqualify trades that are deemed to be wash trades or illegally bulk registered accounts, as well as trades that display attributes of self-dealing or market manipulation. So as long as you make a difference in price, you're not doing a wash trade. Okay. Oh, it's actually gone through, I think. Yeah. So good. So we've started it off already. So I've traded 100 Dusk already. Okay. Right. I'm in the competition, as it were. I think I've got a little bit more to go, though. Okay. So that's just an example anyway. So good luck, guys.